Okay, so I just started a video on how to fix this, and for some reason it didn't record. Step 1, remove the inner tube. Step 2, place the inner tube in the water to find out where the hole is. Boom. Step 3, dry it off with something non-greasy. I'm going to scratch the surrounding area with that thing. There you go. You can see that's kind of scratched up around the hole. Take the patch off the stick, and then we shall apply it over the hole. Here goes nothing. Press it down, make sure it's on there pretty good. Find where your tire says the PSI information, then put this thing right there and stick the whole thing in. Bam. Install the rim. Now, once you do that, you may want to inflate it, but no, because if you inflate it, then the tire won't go in through the brake gap right there. Look for the arrow that tells you the direction the wheel spins, and make sure that it's on right. Since the bike's going to be moving forward, the arrow's pointing that way, so that's perfect. We're going to install it just like that. All right, once it's secure on there, time to inflate the tire. Max PSI on the tire is 40, so we're going to inflate to 35. If you inflate all the way to 40 and you leave it in the sun, it will pop. 20, 30, 35. Now after this, you may want to get on the bike and go ride it, but no, clean up your shop. Clean up the tools, the bucket, everything, put it back, because you got to stay organized. An unorganized garage ain't gonna do you good when you come back from the bike rack. Boom, and we out. We out of here. See ya.